Section 5, how to scale and create multiple channels the right way to mitigate risk of termination. Now, mitigating the chances of catastrophic errors is something that I always do in life, right? Things that can instantly change your life. For example, if you don't take care of your health and become ill and you get $1 million hospital bill, right? That can instantly change your life. Drinking and driving, that can instantly change your life. Things that can change your life with just one mistake. So not only do I try to, mitigate these things in my personal life, I do so in my business life as well. So imagine you had a YouTube channel that was making, a consistent $50,000 a month, and then you make one small mistake and the entire thing is suddenly gone forever. An income stream of $50,000 a month was just thrown out the door because you made a little mistake. And so I decided at a very early stage in my YouTube automation career to mitigate the risk of termination by creating multiple channels. Because if you get your YouTube channel shut down and it was your only source of income, that's going to instantly change your life. That's going to be terrible. That's going to be a catastrophic error, right? It's going to be a major change in your life. And if your channel gets terminated, the appeal process is a nightmare and often doesn't even work out in your favor. And so there's several things that could actually cause your channel to be terminated, and you could mitigate that risk by understanding the two ways of creating a channel in the first place, right? There's two ways to create an additional YouTube channel. The first way is using the same Gmail account for all channels. Now, many people don't know, but you can actually add multiple channels under the same Gmail account, right? You can do it right here, youtube.com/account. You can create a new channel under the same Gmail account. And that might sound great, right? Oh, that's awesome. Now you're not going to have to create all these new separate email addresses every time you start a new channel. However, there's one reason I strongly advise you don't do it that way. If one channel gets terminated, all channels on that Gmail account, including the Gmail account, will also be terminated. So the second way, the way I recommend, is creating a new Gmail for each channel that you set up, right? And this is what I recommend doing because one slip up can cause everything you've worked for to suddenly vanish. And by the way, right, you're going to create a new Gmail account just for the channel. Your AdSense account, on the other hand, that does not actually get terminated with the channel, so you can use the same AdSense account for all channels. And so how do you avoid getting your channel terminated? Well, I like to use common sense, which is simple, right? But, today, common sense doesn't seem like it's so common anymore. Obviously, if you upload some extremely graphic videos, stuff that obviously shouldn't be on YouTube, that'll get you terminated, right? Just common sense. As long as you're following the guidelines and you're not doing anything crazy on YouTube, you're going to be fine, right? And so you should try to get a second channel running as soon as possible because you can still do everything right and still get wrongfully terminated, which if it truthfully was a mistake on YouTube's end, that can be fixed. However, your channel can be shut down for a few weeks, even a few months. So, it's always important to get a second channel up running as fast as you can so that if anything happens to the other one, you still have another income stream to rely on. And so that is all for this video, guys. In the next video, we're going to be talking about what to do if it does end up getting terminated. I'll show you how to fix it.